Picture yourself carrying a backpack. Not a cute one, not a stylish one, but one of those heavy, overstuffed, straining at the zippers kinds. You've been carrying it for so long, you've stopped noticing what's even in it. But your shoulders know, your mind knows, and your spirit absolutely knows. I remember journaling through this idea a while ago, and when I wrote down the emotional weight I was carrying, it shocked me. I had labeled it as responsibility, but really, it was pressure, guilt, expectations that weren't even mine. I was holding things like worry about what people thought of me, shame over things I hadn't finished, fear that if I stopped striving, I'd fall behind. I thought I was being diligent, but I was really just carrying too much for too long. Here's the truth I want to leave you with today. God never asked you to carry the weight of everyone else's needs, opinions, or outcomes. He asked you to walk with Him. And when Jesus said, "Come to me, all who are weary," He wasn't offering productivity. He was offering rest. And rest begins when we lay some things down. So here's your rhythm reset today. Quietly ask, Lord, what am I carrying that you never assigned to me? You might want to write that down. You might want to pray it slowly, or even go a step further. Write the burdens down on paper and release them. Crumple it, toss it, let it go in a way your body can feel. Your soul doesn't need more grit. It needs grace. If today's reflection gave you something to breathe through or something to release, I'd love to invite you into the 7-day Balanced Success Challenge. It's free, it's quiet, and it's built for women like us, faith-filled and often stretched too thin. You'll find the link below. And if this video helped you reset in any way, I'd be so grateful if you'd like, subscribe, or share it with someone else who may be carrying more than they were meant to. This is day 5, but it's just the beginning. Keep building your rhythm with grace, not guilt. I'm with you.